sipping on something I can't compare to nothing I've ever known. I'm hoping that after this fever I survive. I know I'm acting all crazy, strung out a little bit hazy. Hand over heart, I'm praying that I'm gonna make it out alive. The bag getting cold, we're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear. But I'm not alive, I'm told to call, and I bet the odds against it all. Save you the fight, cause I won't hear. You might be right, but I don't care. There's a million reasons why I should give you up, but the heart wants what it wants. The heart wants what it wants. You got me spreading into pieces, shining like stars and screaming, lighting me up like Venus. But then you disappear and make me wait, and every second like torture. Hell of a trip, no more, so find it a way to let go. Baby, baby, no, I can't escape. The bag getting cold, we're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear. But I'm not alive, I'm told to call, and I bet the odds against it all. I'll save you the fight, cause I won't hear. You might be right, but I don't care. There's a million reasons why I should give you up, but the heart wants what it wants. 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 This is the mother fairy tale. No happy ending, no winning us all. But I can't imagine a life without breathless moment, breaking me down, down, down. The bed getting cold and you're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear. But I'm not alive and told to call, and I bet the odds against it all. Save you the fight, cause I won't hear. You might be right, but I don't care. There's a million reasons why I should